Hey guys, Sonny here, back with another video. In this video, we're gonna be remaking that viral tech house song, Pump It Up by Endor. So the final result was like this. So if you want the project file, make sure to check my Patreon. You can download it over there. So besides that, if you want to support the channel, please leave a like. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So now let's dive into the remake. First, we're gonna dive into the drums and then the bass line. So now we're gonna dive into the drums. So the drum pattern is quite basic with a kick drum, open hats, and claps. You only have to close the hi-hat to add some more groove. As you can see, it's slightly off the grid. But the real key is in the processing of the drums. So we just routed all the drums to a drum bus with a transient processor, which made the drums a bit more punchy. When you overdo it, you can really hear the difference. Besides that, we add some soft clipping to add some more loudness to the drums. Then we routed all the drums, including the kick drum, to this drum bus channel, with again the soft clipping. And a glue compression with parallel compression that really brings out the drums. As you can see, we completely compress the sound and then just mix it in around 50%. So without, it sounds like this, peaking at 3 decibels. So enabled, it's still peaking at 3 decibels, but it sounds way more louder. You have this crowd effect, which is near an original, and a focus sample. So now it's time to dive into the bass line. So now let's dive into the sound design of the bass line, sounding like this. So we're gonna make it from scratch. It's a fairly simple preset. 2 saw waves. First one is lower down 2 octaves. Second one, just skip like this, but lower down the level a little bit, just to add some more harmonics to the sound. It's filtered with a low 18 filter, cut off around here, drive quite high. You can hear this already brings in the shape of the sound. Filter just one here. Add some on the legato. Just add some more slide to it. Then we're gonna dive into effects. So first hyper dimension, just to add some more dimension. Then some distortion. We'll be using the tube distortion with a post filter at around here. So just the same as the previous filter, with a drive around here. Just shape the filter a little bit more with a post filter. Then some compression. Just boost the gain in a little bit. Then some chorus with a low pass filter just around here. Then mix it in properly. And then the key of the sound is the phaser with a frequency just around here. As you can hear, this makes the bass line a bit more fuller. So together with the drums, the remake sound like this. And that's it for the Endor Pump It video. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in next videos.